All right, we've got a special guest returning for a second segment this morning. Jackie Knopf is joining us to tell us about a big event this Friday and an even bigger event coming up this summer.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and start off with the summer event.
Okay, so this summer we are planning the first ever Pittsburgh Pride Fest. It's going to be an all-day event that's going to happen at potentially and hopefully Lincoln Park in Pittsburgh. We are looking to have all kinds of entertainment and festivities going on so that there's things for everyone of all ages, just to feel free and have fun.
Well, anytime you put on a festival of that size, it's going to cost money.
Yes.
And so to raise funds for that, you guys have a big event, or actually it's a monthly event, but specifically this Friday, raising funds for the Pride Festival.
Yeah, so we do the show every second Friday, full of all kinds of different entertainment at the Dirty Mule. But this Friday is going to be a fundraiser specifically for this Pride event. There's going to be a silent auction with all kinds of items on it. There's going to be dollar raffles, 50-50 raffles, all kinds of things to have fun throughout the show. There'll be donation boxes that you can just donate money if you want to, all kinds of stuff.
And of course, there'll be a drag show itself as well.
Yeah, an actual drag show. We'll have burlesque entertainers, drag entertainers, all kinds of things.
All right. Now, you guys, I do want to mention that I am the owner of the Dirty Mule,
Yes.
and I'm not leaving that part out. But we've been doing these drag shows on a monthly basis for a year and a half now.
Yeah, June 2020 was our first show at the Dirty Mule. And so this June for Pride is actually going to mark our 2 years. So it's going to be a specifically special event for us to kind of commemorate that start.
Yeah, and it's been awesome watching the show expand and the different folks that come in to watch it and,
Yeah.
you know, open up their worlds to something that they may not have seen before.
Yeah, we're the only drag show in Southeast Kansas. There's a lot of people that try to come to us and say, we've never been to this show. I didn't even hardly know what drag was until I came to this. And that's why we also started, during those shows, the first hour of our show is an open stage that we do for all kinds of entertainers. Anyone who wants to hit the stage, try out drag, burlesque, they can come just sign up with us and perform that month.
Yeah, and it's the drag shows are also an educational experience. And I've listened to some of the things you guys say on the mic. You explain, you teach, you educate.
Yeah, we are a wide variety of people that perform. There is a small cast of us, and then we bring in other entertainers, but it's full of non-binary, AFAB artists, all people on the spectrum of the LGBTQ community. And those things aren't known to everybody. I mean, like I said, they didn't know what drag was hardly. We're trying to also help them know what all these different terms and things are. So
you can come this Friday. If you can't come this Friday, you can come any second Friday of the month, and that's always at the Dirty Mule.
Yeah, every second Friday. You can actually catch all of the events on any of the entertainer social media pages, as well as the Pittsburgh Pride Kansas Facebook page that we have for the event. That's going to have everything about Pride. It's going to have everything about shows happening in Pittsburgh, things like that too.
Again, and there's the Pittsburgh Pride website right there.
Yeah.
Right. Facebook page. Yes. So just search for Pittsburgh Kansas Pride.
Yeah, it should be on there. There's all kinds of events and things that you can click on. It'll give you ways to set reminders and things like that.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
And I didn't mention, but you look great.
Thank you.
Awesome makeup job. All right, it was great having you on the show this morning, Jackie, and hope you have a great show on Friday night.
Thank you. We'll see you Friday.
We'll be right back.